What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. If you haven't figured it out, we are going to the worst place in the United States, Ohio. There's actually one beautiful part of Ohio that we're going to right now. We're going to Hocking Hills State Park. It is our first time out of state. It's our first trip. It's our first hike. Whatever I decide to clickbait this video with, it's gonna be that. And I'm here with my girlfriend. Alex has this thing where she has to drive long periods of time, so I get to be a passenger princess today. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
But hopefully we get Chick-fil-A.
We will get Chick-fil-A.
Sit back, relax, enjoy the vlog. Hey, yeah, girl. You ain't never heard it like.
Hey, I know what you're doing.
All right, we finally made it. I'm finally ready to go. It's been 5 months. You see that agility? Since I've been hiking, I'm ready to go with my beautiful girlfriend now.
Hi.
I'm getting hit with boyfriend duties already. Asking me to tie your boots really tight. Can you?
Tighter.
Think you can hold your foot down? So guys, this is a trick I learned. So the rabbit goes under the law and through the, I don't know what it was. I never got taught that way. My dad's like, can you just tie your shoe? You're 2, why don't you have a job? How's that, Mr. Krabs?
Double knot it.
I wasn't doing that. What, do I look like a rookie?
Okay, now you just have to fix the other to make it just as tight.
You're lucky you're cute.
I miss those days. Don't you feel the same? Now I'm all alone. You're out of zone. I miss those days. Was it just a game? Summer is the time to shine again. Join us for the ride and take the plane. Let's fly away. Summer is the time to shine and play. We already set to fly away like a kite.
In. How's it going so far?
It's going good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Really
Weather's
pretty.
perfect.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Let's keep going.
The same old thoughts, soon that you are on the other side. Wondering if you're there. Sending you a big warm hug, wishing this time would find its path to see me now. Like we used to fight, but was lead on lies.
Take your time. You're good. You're good?
Okay, I'm jumping.
Don't miss those days. It was just a game. Summer is the time to shine again. Join us for the ride and take the plane. Let's fly away. Summer is the time to shine and play. We already set to fly away like a kite.
So we finished up here at Old Man's Cave. Here we're at the old man's house. He's known for having grown massive amounts of the devil's lettuce. I don't know what that means, but it smells pretty distinct. I can't put my finger on it. You know, it seems like honest living. Can't be mad at that. Anyways, we have like 2 trail options. We can either go to Gorge Overlook or we can go back to Lower Falls. What do you want to do?
I'm down for whatever.
Down for whatever. It's my kind of girl. I think I could make that jump, yeah?
Yeah,
I mean,
maybe one-footed.
Yeah, I mean from here all the way down yonder. I think I got that. So we're on our way to Cedar Falls. We made it to this like body of water. I believe you said this is the Mississauga? Chattanooga, because obviously we're in Tennessee, not Ohio. We have no idea what this is, but it looks really cool. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but somebody's having a great time over there. We love that for them. And this is some sort of, what is it, the Overlook Dam? She's in eat mode. When she's in eat mode, nothing else matters.
Seeing all the things that we used just to see. Is it just a dream?
It's pretty dope.
Pretty dope.
It's really cool. I love waterfalls so much. They make me happy.
Yeah.
So do you.
Oh. I'm glad we got to see it today.
Me too. Little sweaty, but we made it.
Here, let me.
Oh.
Delicious.
Oh boy.
Listen, sometimes when you gotta go, you gotta go. Anyways, we're on our way back. Also, I wasn't really peeing, it's that. Did I fool you? Did it work? It probably didn't work. Did it work?
I think it was funny.
Oh, thanks. It's always crazy to see like what erosion can do, don't you think? Wow, would you look at that? That's a nice boulder.
That is a nice boulder.
I like that boulder.
In the morning, I'm gonna make waffles.
All right, babe, we have done 3.5 hours, 6.15 miles. How do you feel?
Feel good. My quads and my glutes are on fire, but it was a lot of fun.
We saw the lower falls, which you guys just saw. Had to go through that cave. I don't think I recorded a clip of it because it was just pitch black. But this was a great first hike together.
Yeah.
I had so much fun. 5:05, we have to check in to where we're staying at within 55 minutes. The odds that we'll be on time. What do you think of the digs so far? About to get checked in. We got checked in. Great news, we love that. Turns out it wasn't near where we were checking in at, so we had to reload the car with all the stuff we took out. On the Lark Spur we go.